Hello everyone. Today we're introducing the Lucky Miner LV08, ideal for home mining farms and small pools with plug-and-play setup. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to start mining. Product User Manual. Lucky Miner LV08. A C line. Next, we'll connect the power and proceed with computer configuration. After power on, the adapter indicator light is green, the miner fan is running, and the miner screen displays connect to SSD Lucky Miner. Search for the miner hotspot Lucky _ through Wi-Fi on your phone or computer. Select the Lucky hotspot, mobile or computer. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds, automatically redirect to the mining configuration interface. We will proceed with the device's network configuration. Open the network option. In Wi-Fi SSID, enter an available 2.4G network name. In Wi-Fi password, enter the corresponding password. After entering the details, click the Save button. The device network setup is now successful. Click Settings on the left, then configure the mining pool and wallet address. Enter the LTC mining pool address, port number, and your LTC wallet account. Click the Save button to confirm the settings. After saving the settings, click the Restart button. Restart completed. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds. The home page will display the real-time running status of the miner. Contains information such as overview, power, pool information, results, etc. The miner screen will synchronously scroll to display the above information. Join the crypto revolution today. With worldwide shipping, your mining journey begins instantly. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for setup guides and order now at luckyminerclub.com.